Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Do you want to improve your English speaking quickly and confidently? In today's video, we will practice English together by following a simple daily routine story about drinking a glass of milk. You will learn easy words, sentence patterns, and expressions that you can use in your real life. So, let's get started. Part 1. A glass of milk. Showing practice. I want to drink a glass of milk. I want to drink a glass of milk. I want to drink a glass of milk. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I take the milk bottle out of the refrigerator. I take the milk bottle out of the refrigerator. I take the milk bottle out of the refrigerator. I take a clean glass from the shelf. I take a clean glass from the shelf. I take a clean glass from the shelf. I pour some milk into the glass. I pour some milk into the glass. I pour some milk into the glass. A little milk spills on the table. A little milk spills on the table. A little milk spills on the table. I go to the basin. I go to the basin. I go to the basin. I take a piece of cloth. I take a piece of cloth. I take a piece of cloth. I get it wet under the tap. I get it wet under the tap. I get it wet under the tap. I twist it. I twist it. I twist it. I come back to the table. I come back to the table. I come back to the table. I rub the table with the wet cloth. I rub the table with the wet cloth. I rub the table with the wet cloth. I go to the basin again. I go to the basin again. I go to the basin again. I wash the cloth under the tap. I wash the cloth under the tap. I wash the cloth under the tap. I hang it up on the water pipe. I hang it up on the water pipe. I hang it up on the water pipe. I come back to the table. I come back to the table. I come back to the table. I drink my milk. I drink my milk. I drink my milk. Great! You have learned 16 useful sentences for drinking a glass of milk. Now you can connect English to your real daily life. Your brain links English to real daily activities, not just words. Now it is your turn. I will show you the same pictures drinking a glass of milk. Try your best, everyone. Part 2. It is your practice time. This time, no text, no voice, no help. Look at each picture. Describe this picture in English. Do not worry about being perfect. Try to use English words for what you see. Your brain will stop translating. It will start thinking in English. Some pictures are easy, some pictures are hard. Both help you speak English better. Are you ready? Let's practice. Great job, everyone! How do you feel? Maybe you feel 40% confident. Maybe you feel 90% confident. That's okay. Every time you practice, you train your English brain. In round 2, you sound more natural. You also speak more fluently. This is the best way to think in English. Keep going. You are doing amazing. Now, let's see how these sentences create natural stories. Part 3. A glass of milk. I want to drink a glass of milk for my breakfast. First, I go to the kitchen. I take the milk bottle out of the refrigerator. I take a clean glass from the shelf. I pour some milk into the glass. A little milk spills on the table. I go to the basin. I take a cloth and make it wet. I twist the cloth. Then I go back to the table. I clean the table with the wet cloth. After that, I go to the basin again. I wash the cloth under the tap. I hang it on the water pipe to dry. Then I go back to the table. Finally, I sit down and drink my milk. That's it for today's English speaking practice. If you practiced with me, you are one step closer to speaking English fluently. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our daily English lessons. Comment below and tell us what you like to cook in English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.